Valentine's Day is a holiday celebrated on February 14, primarily in Western cultures, that is traditionally associated with romantic love. It is typically marked by the exchange of cards, gifts, and messages of affection between partners, friends, and family members. Valentine's Day has its roots in the ancient Roman festival of Lupercalia, which was a celebration of fertility and purification. In the Middle Ages, the holiday became associated with romantic love, and the tradition of exchanging love notes and tokens of affection became popular. Today, Valentine's Day is celebrated in many countries around the world, and while it remains a holiday primarily focused on romantic love, it is also celebrated as a day to show appreciation and affection for friends and family members. In modern times, Valentine's Day is often celebrated with gifts such as flowers, chocolates, and jewelry, as well as romantic dinners and special outings. The holiday is also a popular time for couples to exchange heartfelt messages of love and commitment. While Valentine's Day can be a joyful occasion for those in romantic relationships, it can also be a difficult time for those who are single or who have experienced loss or heartbreak. However, the holiday has also evolved to be a celebration of all kinds of love and appreciation, including platonic love and self-love. Valentine's Day is also a significant commercial holiday, with retailers and businesses selling Valentine's Day-themed merchandise and gifts, and restaurants offering special menus and promotions. The holiday is a major source of revenue for the greeting card, floral, and confectionery industries. However, the commercialization of the holiday has also been criticized for placing undue pressure on individuals to participate in consumerist traditions, and for excluding those who are not able to afford or access these products and experiences. There are also several variations of Valentine's Day celebrated around the world, with different customs and traditions. For example, in Japan, women traditionally give chocolates to men on Valentine's Day, while in South Korea, the holiday is celebrated as a day for both romantic partners and friends, with different gift-giving and celebration customs. In some cultures, Valentine's Day is also associated with religious or cultural traditions. For example, in many Latin American countries, Valentine's Day is known as Dia del Amor y la Amistad, Day of Love and Friendship, and is celebrated with gift-giving and special events. In India, the holiday has become increasingly popular in recent years, with couples exchanging gifts and going out for romantic dinners. There are also several legends and stories associated with the origins of Valentine's Day. One of the most popular stories is that of Saint Valentine, a Roman priest who was martyred for marrying Christian couples in secret during a time when Christian marriages were outlawed. Another legend tells the story of a pagan festival where women would draw the names of men from a box and become paired with them for the year. Overall, Valentine's Day is a holiday that has taken on many different meanings and traditions throughout history, and continues to be celebrated in unique and meaningful ways around the world.